Back again for part 2 of Overthrowing Everything. Page 457 in the text. In Indonesia, many Chinese were killed in Suharto's anti-communist mass killings. The U.S. confirmed a policy of recognizing the Republic of China in Taiwan as the legitimate government of China. The U.S. also supported the exiled Dalai Lama. Here's a picture of the Dalai Lama, born in 1935. That would make him about 87 years old. Pretty amazing. China conducted its first atomic test in October of 1964. In 1963 and 64, Mao criticized art, literature, and scholarship communities for deviating from socialist principles. Zhou Yang was assigned to lead a movement to correct this. And here's a picture of Zhou Yang. China turned its back on the Vietnam War and amidst conflict with the Soviet Union, Mao's final struggle for China's future began. In February of 1965, Mao sent his wife Jiang Qing on a secret mission to Shanghai. Here's a picture of Jiang Qing when she was young on the cover of a film magazine. She was an actress. And here's a picture of her in 1976 at the end of the Cultural Revolution when she was arrested and sent to prison. She stayed in prison until her death in 1991. She committed suicide. Pretty awful person, Jiang Qing. Mao's writing was, we should carry out the great proletarian cultural revolution to unmask academic authorities. He created the small group led by Chen Boda, 5 people answering directly to Mao, overruling all institutions and organs of the CCP. Here's a picture of Chen Boda. Mao's goal was to transform Chinese society by changing values to all public, no private, using the tool of rebellion. The first Cultural Revolution poster on May 25th of 1966 attacked Peking University leadership for being Khrushchev-type revisionist elements. June 1966, 2.7 million people in Shanghai joined protest movements inside the city, creating 88,000 posters. And here's a picture of a poster, and then pictures of students putting up big character posters. Mao issued his own first big character poster, bombing the headquarters, posted on August 5th and later published in all newspapers. Mao saw traitors, saboteurs, and the return of capitalist oppression causing the tragedy of the Great Leap Forward. This was the blame game. Mao attended the first rally on August 18, 1966 at Tiananmen Square. He was greeted by roughly 1 million students. Unbelievable. Here's an artistic interpretation of Mao's bombing the headquarters poster. Many factories closed. Production was often disrupted. Industrial output fell. China's economy contracted by 5% for 2 years in a row. In economic terms, the Cultural Revolution, the Wenhua Dageming, did far less damage than the Great Leap Forward. Over the 10 years of the Cultural Revolution, some 240,000 people died in armed street clashes as China was plunged into chaos. From 1969 to 1973, Deng Xiaoping was sent to the countryside and worked in a tractor repair shop in Jiangxi. Students from larger cities were sent to work in Inner Mongolia, Xinjiang, Yunnan, Heilongjiang, for an average of 6 years. The vast majority of these people found their way back to the cities after Mao's death in 1976. And here's an example. So Xinjiang, Inner Mongolia, Heilongjiang, and Yunnan, these are all outlying provinces where the students were sent to. I'm going to stop there and we'll take it up in part 3.